Yeah, hello, good evening, guys. We are back for the evening session. Okay, let's walk through from the first pair here, which is XAUSD. Okay, like I said earlier in the morning, on XAU, we are still bullish, very bullish. Seems to be a very strength, a very big one on the bull side. From the 4 hour, we can see we have this big bullish candles forming. But the network is kind of slow a little. Yeah, and there seem not to be any entry here. So to the next pair, Euro USD. Let's see what plays out during the day. Okay, I drew this in the morning. I drew this mark in the morning. Price was here. Price was around here when I went live. So from this moment here, I said I was expecting price to go up a little, kind of test this area before coming back. But then I saw this bearish engulfing candle form an hour after, and it seems to have risen up a little into the imbalance here. Then I went for a sell, but obviously this happens to be a loss, and I got taken out around here. And the market is just doing its thing. So this is a lot right here during the day on. I entered the position around here, so around 11 on Euro USD. USD JPY, there is much power to the bull side and it's still going higher. There seems not to be any reversal move. I was expecting to see a little reversal into this area right here. Then I can decide to take it up after the confirmation on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, on GBP card, I think price was right. Price was here in the morning around. Let me see the one now. Yeah, in the morning price was around there. I'm expecting it to go up because we haven't broken this low right here. Then this particular low, but now this low has been taken out during the day. So now we are bearish on. Let me delete this. Now we are bearish on GBP card. That's the pound Canadian dollar. Okay, where is this? All right. So now I'll be looking for positions, bearish positions. We'll be looking for confirmation on the 1 hour to take bearish entries. On GBP AUD, right from this moment here, price has closed above this high. I think that was in the morning. Prices closed above this high right after the live session. So we broke bullish here, broke up to the upside somewhere around there. Then it came back again and took out this low right here that was responsible for the movement. Took the low out right here. The low was taken out. This low was taken out by this candle. So there's another break right here. So now in general, I'm bearish on GBBAUD. So on the 1 hour, I'll be looking for bearish engulfing candles. Oh, this is a perfect one right here. But I could not enter that because I already had two losses today. And the rule is not to have more than two running risks per day. So I'm down 1% today. So this right here would have been a good entry if it was not too large than 20 pips. Also this, okay, don't close above it because price might still come up a little, and let's see if we are going to have the formation of that candle somewhere around there. If this price rally up a little and at the reversal, we hope to see the formation of a bearish engulfing candle, then we take the sell. So on AUD USD, so price refused to take out this low today. So I'm still expecting to see candle forms in support of this uptrend. I'll be in the position if a candle form in support of this uptrend. Yeah, you can see there's indecision, forming bearish engulfing, taking it out. So I'm just leaving the pair to play out, and let's see. I want the price to be more clearer than this because you can see the consolidation here, then it went up again. So I'll be leaving ADSD for now, but in general, we are still on the bullish side. So to the next pair, that's GPB So this was a trade I took in the morning, and oh wow, something is forming on the 4 hour here. You can see the bearish engulfing right here. So it's showing there's more strength to the bears. So on the 4 hour, right? Okay, on the 1 hour, on the 4 hour after this break, we started looking for entries here. And on the 1 hour, right here, I saw the bearish engulfing form very early in the morning. Very early in the morning before I went live. And I took the position hoping to get 1:5, but as the market we have it went up a little into this area, then start the move to the downside. But right now, let's see what happens over the night. If there be any reversal at this point, and we look to see entries somewhere around here. But on the 4 hour, I just saw something for me now. That's a very big candle showing. You can see the BS taking out the bulls, then closing below it to show that that is a very good indicator that a nice trend is about to start. Or let me say a nice move. Okay, the next pair is USD card. So this is the second loss I took today on. This was the first one. The second one was on Euro USD right here. Just took me out by some pips and broke down, but seems to be going higher right now. But in general, you're still looking for bearish position. Okay, USD card. Let's see what we have there. Oh, this was the trade I took yesterday. Yes, and it played out this morning around 7, 8 o'clock in the morning when I was live here. The price was around there, but I'm even on this trade, so it's around more than 1:1 already. So I already broke even around on this trade and came back to hit the stop loss at the entry. So this was not a loss. It was just there. Okay, but did I mention that on USD card on the 4 hour price is yet to close below this low? Yeah. So if there is any bullish engulfing candle forming, it's a nice position for buys. And on the US CHF, like I said in the morning, I drilled this in the morning. I was expecting price. Oh, network is kind of slow this evening. Just bear with me. I said I was expecting price to come down a little, then start seeing the up move. So exactly where I expect the reversal, then came down to retest this area, and then went up straight. So there was no candle formation here. But if you happen to be trading a lower time frame than I do, on the 15 minutes, you could have something here. Yeah, this is it. You can see the engulfing right here. And this is a good entry. And if you did 1:1, get around here, it's here to hit your stop loss. Probably be running 1:3 already. But my ideal time frame for entry is 1 hour. Okay, that is that. Thank you for joining this evening. We'll do a recap, or let me say, we'll look forward to see the market play out well tomorrow, 7:30 in the morning. I'll go live. I expect to see you. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe or like button. And if you are new to my channel, check out the last video I uploaded. You have more understanding about the strategy. Thank you for joining.